Okay, today I am going to put some edge dressing on these welts. I see this question quite a bit, what do you do when the welts are dried out, or what do you do when the welts are looking worn and old? And a lot of the time they might not necessarily be dried out. It might just be that some of the edge dressing has worn off, which we get a lot here in the winter time. It's slushy, it's snowy, there's lots of salt out. And it can just wear down. These I would usually leave for a little while longer, but the edge dressing is not going to do any harm, so you can, keep that updated as often as you want. So first thing I'm going to do is hit these with a coarse brush just to knock off, any of the dirt and debris, get that all off. I'll make sure that's cleared out. Then I'll go in with a horsehair brush, just get any of the finer granules that might have been left behind, make sure everything's good and clear. And then there's really no trick to it. You just, I use Fiebings edge dressing. It's got an applicator included with it. So once everything is clean and ready, you just apply that on there. It's really easy if you've got a black rubber sole. This is, the black goes on well and it will dry. You'll see it might look a little bit wet at first, but even on the rubber it will dry in and look nice and even. And it's just a quick and easy way to get these things not looking new again, but definitely helping the welts have a little bit more life in them. So yeah, fear not. I'm sure a lot of people have already, done this with their boots, but I see the question often enough. I figured I'd show this here. And, depending on how you feel about it, if the welts are dry, sometimes I do just apply some conditioner to the welts because they are leather welts. It's not going to restore the look of them the same way the edge dressing will, but it will help to revitalize the leather and just kind of rehydrate them. So, I guess you've got a couple options there. If you want to improve the appearance, put on some edge dressing. If you just can tell that the leather welt is dried out, you can just apply some conditioner and keep on going. So that's it. What to do if your leather welts are dried out or not looking so great. Got a couple options. All right, thanks a lot.